afternoon. Ooh. Open that door. Oh, it's actually very nice weather. It's very mild, well, yeah, cloudy, breezy, a relief from that hot weather. Autumn is here, I reckon. No more heat waves, hopefully. Famous last words. Coffee first. Jobs. Jacqueline Buist, you had a great idea. Get a whiteboard, a little whiteboard, an A4 one, that would be enough, wouldn't it? I thought that's a brilliant idea to write my jobs down that I need to do, because there's quite a lot. And getting yourself sort of organised. Oh, I've got to have a slurp. So I'm going to do that. I think something's been moving my the one and only beetroot, and thanks for all your suggestions regarding what to do with the beetroot. The baby ones, I'm going to be planting them out soon. I just got to literally get an area ready, figure out where. Do they need protection from slugs and snails? I'm not sure how I can protect them, but because I don't use pellets, so but I'm going to take that beetroot home and do that. Quite a few of you said a Mary Berry chocolate and beetroot cake, and I saved her recipe, so thank you for all your suggestions. They were all brilliant. If these grow, these baby ones, I will do some of the other suggestions. Like one of you said about, so I'm sorry I can't remember who, but one of you said you roasted, oh, I can't remember who said that. Such a good idea, roasted yours in the air fryer. I mean, that sounds delicious. But I am leaning towards the cake. Has to be done. I mean, it is quite, I think it'll be fine. It's quite large. As one of you said, it might be a bit woody, but grated. I think I'm definitely going to throw it in a cake, yeah. Vegetables and cakes, like carrot cake, isn't it? That's the most well-known one. Well, it's midweek. We're on Wednesday. I call it the hump. The hump of the week, so it's all downhill to the weekend. It's so nice where it's cooler and you're not getting boiling, like kind of too hot feeling. So this whole getting a whiteboard, love that idea. Then I can write my list and then cross them off. So I will look out for one. So today we're going to be picking all the sweetcorn and more runner bean seeds that are ready. Because a lot of you were really helpful on that as well, about when they were ready, like, you know, the way it's completely brown, crackly, dry. Yeah. And runner bean seeds are so pretty. They are quite a nature's artwork, isn't it? Oh, coffee always tastes delicious after a hard day at work. Hard couple of hours. Oh, nice. Right. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is where a whiteboard is perfect. Sweet corn. Stick you on the tripod and let's go pick some sweet corn. Yeah, the Boysenberries have got a kind of a new fence, so I've just done this. It's actually a bit busy, got neighbours close by, but I'm quite pleased with that. So this is going to fruit next year. These ones, and I'm going to prune this all back probably in the next couple of days because there's no fruit left. I will work out how to propagate though. I'm going to do that before I cut back. So yeah, going to have a boysenberry fence and arch next year. That's really good. So I've picked a lot of sweet corn. One little courgette, because that's going to go in the lime and courgette cake that I'm doing today for the cooking channel. Let's go pick that beetroot. I've also planted out the beetroot seedlings, but they're being protected because apparently young birds like to pick them. But look at this, something's definitely moved this, because this wasn't like that yesterday. But yeah, it is big, but it'll be okay in a cake. But that'll be next week. I'll keep it in the fridge until I need it. So yeah, I'll just add it to the other little pile. Lovely. Oh, brilliant. Well, that's going to be it for today. It's good to plant out those beetroot seedlings. I'm pleased with that. That was an unexpected job completed. Get that whiteboard sharpish, definitely. Yeah, I'm going to go home now because I've got some cooking to do for the cooking channel, mainly the lime and courgette cake. Yeah, thanks everybody so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Oh, thank you to Patreons. Oh, now it was Ian Pritchard, this is from memory, but I might have said thank you to you before, but memory is terrible, and so I'm just going to say it again. Thank you. Linda Headley, thank you so much for joining. And Kate Brooks, thank you so much for joining the Patreon. Thank you very much. It's really appreciated. Right, I'm definitely going home now because it's time. Oh, look, right in front of the fan. It's so nice. Take care. Oh, what is the bars? It's still 3 bars. I must do a bird sound thing because they're quite noisy today. I'll do that next time. Take care, everybody. See you on the next one. Bye.